dear children. Welcome to Standard 4th subject Moral Science. Are you remember which lesson we are studying now? Chapter 15, Love the Motherland. Very good. Then what are things we studied there? When we got in freedom, India became independent 15th August 1947. Okay. Why is August 15, 1947 a day written in golden letter in the history? Because on the day India became independent. Okay, very good. What do you mean by patriotism? The love for one's own country is known as patriotism. Okay. Then what we studied again? Why did Indira burn the doll? Are you remember? Why did Indira burn the doll? Burn the doll. Because love for her country was greater than her doll, and so she burned her dolls to show her love for her country. Okay, that much we studied last class. Then we are going to learn remaining class. Okay. This is an example which shows how even little children behave for the love of their motherland. If we go through the Indian history, we come across many such incidents which are expressions of patriotism. Today, how can we express our patriotic feeling? Let us discuss a few of them. Okay, we are going to how we can express our patriotism to our country. We are going to discuss about that. First one, remember with the respect and gratitude the great men and women who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. First one, we have to respect and those who struggle for this freedom, and we have to respect them. Then gratitude about them. The great men and women who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. Second, know more about national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, and get inspiration. We have to get inspiration from them. Okay, they only more struggle about these freedoms, sacrifices and all. They only know more about national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, and get inspiration from them. Celebrate national festivals like Independence Day and Republic Day with the proud and love. We have to celebrate Independence Day and Republic Day. Independence Day when we are celebrating 15th August. Okay. Then Republic Day January 26th January. Okay. Then honor the national symbols and salute the hoisted flag with due respect. We have to respect our national flag. Then we have to salute it. Work for motto of our country. Truth shall prevail. Work for the motto of our country. Truth shall prevail. Sing the national Anandam with a patriotic feeling. We have to sing the national Anandam with a patriotic feeling. Know and do our duties as a citizen. We have to do the duties in our where we are living. We have to do the duties and we duties as a citizen of India. Protect public places and properties. We have to protect our public properties. So many common properties and all there, we have to protect that. Respect different religions and treat everyone with love. We have to respect other religions and treat with love only. In short, every little act we do for the good of our country is an expression of our patriotism. To love our fellow Indians as brothers and sisters, irrespective of their caste, color or region, is the best way to express our love for our motherland. When we fight against social evils or when we work for unity among people, we are doing nothing but expressing our patriotism. So let us work hard in hand with true patriotic feeling to make our motherland India a prosperous and united nation. Okay, understood this lesson? We have to love our nation. Okay, then we have to respect our country. All the duties we have to do with the love. Then we have to love our country and all the how we can show how can I express our patriotic feeling with the respect and gratitude. Great men and women who sacrifice their lives for the freedom of our country. Know more about national leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, and we get from inspiration from them. Celebrate national festivals like Independence Day and Republic Day with a proud and love. Honor the national symbols and salute the hoisted flag with due respect. Work for the motto of our country, truth shall prevail. That is our motto. Sing the national anthem with a patriotic feeling. Know and do our duties as a citizen. Protect public places and properties. We don't destroy any public property and any places, anything. Okay, that we have to remember. Okay, to love our fellow Indians and brothers and sisters, irrespective of our caste, color or region, is the best way to express our love for our motherland. We have to respect other caste and color, region, anybody, that we all are our brothers and sisters. That way we have to respect them and love them. Okay, I hope all of you understood this lesson, and question answer and PDF handout I will give you in PDF. Okay, all of you read the lesson, write the question answer, and write the question answer in notebook. Okay, that is homework and study. Okay, thank you children.